Today, it is my pleasure to introduce the world to Jet, the next Samsung mobile. Jet represents the latest advances in technology and innovation. Jet symbolizes a new mobile experience. Jet, quite frankly, smarter than a smartphone. Now it's time to share all the details of this fantastic device and unpack Samsung Jet. All right. First of all, please refrain from any flash photography. One last reminder, please. Thank you. Now is the moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Jet. Amazing speed and powerful performance that goes beyond anything you could have imagined. And you're about to experience it all right now. Its pin-sharp display will move you with color and brightness you've never experienced before. Brilliance, speed, and unrivaled performance. This is the Jet. Okay then, let's find out what Jet can do. Here with me is Mr. Christopher Chu, Director, Corporate and Brand Marketing, Samsung Electronics, Southeast Asia, HQ. He'll explain the specifics of the Jet. Christopher?
A very warm hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks very much for that, Alan. I'm very excited to be here to tell you, hopefully, more about the Jet's many extraordinary features.
There's so much to say about the Jet, but one of the first things you really notice is the 3.1-inch wide AMOLED display. This AMOLED technology is so advanced that it gives you images that are crisper and brighter than ever, and perfectly visible from any angle. We should also mention how quickly the display responds to touch. I mean, we're talking about an immediate response. Jet's advanced resistance touchscreen enables faster, more accurate touch responses. Wow, you can really see the display from any angle. It's perfectly clear. The color reproduction is remarkable. It's as close to the real thing as you can possibly get.
That's absolutely right. And the AMOLED can do all this and more while consuming up to 66% less power than conventional LCDs.
This is clearly a much higher resolution than we've seen on previous phones. So, how much better?
Well, the Jet uses a high-resolution WVGA. It's the best in the industry right now. Previously, even high-end phones used WQVGA or HVGA resolution. This means the Jet's resolution is 4 times better than a WQVGA phone and 2.5 times as good as an HVGA phone. Combine WVGA resolution with an AMOLED display, and the result is a truly superior visual experience.
Wow. Now, on to another innovation of the Jet, the powerful 800 MHz application processor. This means that Jet can seamlessly enable multimedia play, fast 3D touch interface, and internet access. So what does 800 MHz really mean? Well, let me start by explaining waiting time. This is the interval between the moment you touch the phone and when the application actually starts. The moment you touch an icon in the Jet, you'll understand what 800 MHz means. Waiting time of Jet can't be compared with any other product on the market, including smartphones. See, the menu screens and UI don't allow for even a moment's wait.
Yes, and to expand on that, the Jet uses an 800 MHz application processor, which is fundamentally different from typical processors. See, general phones force the modem to run many applications, while the 300 MHz, or slightly faster multimedia chipset runs camera and video. But the Jet has minimized the modem's load so that its only responsibility is to take care of calls. All the other applications run through the 800 MHz application processor. The result? Performance that's faster and more powerful than ever before. This is the beginning of Samsung's brand new hardware platform.
All right, Chris. So we've been talking about the Jet's great 800 megahertz application processor and AMOLED, but now let's focus on what I like to call the fun stuff. Those high-end features made possible by the innovative technology we've just discussed. Okay, one of the Jet's representative core functions is DVD-like movie playback and recording. You will feel the powerful performance of brilliance and speed when you play a movie. Thanks to the after-image-free clarity and fast processor, movies are now clearer than ever. DVD-like playback and recording will surely move your heart. You know how it is with the typical mobile. If you want to use a file you've downloaded to your phone, the file needs to be converted to fit the mobile's format. Anyone who's tried this knows that converting takes time and can be a real pain in the neck. With Jet, just download and enjoy. It's a perfect example of the Jet's powerful, speedy, and smart performance. Remember, you can enjoy all your downloaded files with AMOLED, which provides clarity without any after images. Next up, Touchwiz 2.0 user interface. It's designed with MediaGate 3D, Motion Gate, and Smart Unlock. Touchwiz 2.0 is a new user interface concept that delivers the most dynamic and fast user experience which are available only in non-smartphones. First, you have MediaGate 3D, which is the virtual cube you see. Photo album, music player, video player, FM radio, a game, and the internet takes up each of the 6 faces of the cube. Of course, this cube-shaped user interface adds to the pure enjoyment of using the Jet. Next is Motion Gate, which uses technology called a motion recognition engine. Using your own very own motions, you can choose from the camera, music, radio, and motion dial feature. For example, you can activate music with just a snap, like this. You're going to have some fun playing around with this, I can promise. And here's something really cool. You can unlock your mobile and activate a designated function by tracing the shape of a predetermined letter with your finger. This is called Smart Unlock, and you can use it in 3 ways. First, simply unlock. Second, unlock in speed dial like this. I'll just write J on the screen. And the phone will unlock itself and call Jennifer. Glad you're here, Jennifer. Now please put your phone on silent. Finally, there's the application launch. As the name implies, it launches a designated application immediately after unlocking itself.